So, so many days, man. So many days, man. I missed the mic, man. Welcome to another episode of Chat's World. Welcome to another episode of Chat's World. Yes, so we need applauses, man. We need applauses, man. So I'm back for a while. I don't know for how long. It has been the normal thing with upcoming trade and content creator. So some issues have come here and there, hiccups and whatever, but we are glad we are here. So first of all, as usual, I missed the mic, man. How have you been, guys? How is April treating you, man? I know April has not been easy for traders, man. Traders are seeing dust, man. Traders are seeing dust. Traders are crying, man. I'm a victim of it. I'll lie. April has not been easy, man. And I will just say it's in general the first quarter. So let's hope it's only just this month we are going to experience this, and we'll adjust our trading strategies and come back, man. So without further ado, let's go to the news segment. Yes, so on global news today, we have Trump and officials likely targets of an attack that happened during a state dinner. And I don't know if anyone was hurt, but someone tried to enter the premises with a gun, man. No, people are so daring, man. I don't dream about doing some things, even in my weirdest dreams. I wouldn't dream about that. How do you think of going into a place where the US president is there, and you know he is the most protected individual in the world, man, and you're trying to enter with a gun? Bro, that's okay. I don't want to know what bro was on, but bro was not on something good, man. Whatever he is using, man, he better stop, because bro, that's scary. So that's one of the things that happened over the weekend, you know. When it comes to Trump government, one day you're off, one day, and tomorrow come to some weird and interesting news. So on the next one, the envoy, the peace envoy, is not going to visit Pakistan, and this is because Trump has cancelled the envoy to Pakistan. As you know, he has been sending the vice president, that's Vince, and some few people we don't know, to go and discuss some peace deal with this country, and they are discussing peace between Iran and US, because you know US is the aggressor in this situation, and as the aggressor, I think they are dictating the terms. So he has cancelled it. I don't know why, but he has cancelled it, and they are not going to visit Pakistan, which is interesting, because I thought this weekend was going to be the last weekend to hear about this Iran woman. We don't want to lose so many lives. Statements have been made. I hope they achieve what they are achieving very fast, and let's hope for few deaths, man. Deaths are not good to anyone, no matter the side you are in, woman. So that's it. Now this is interesting. It's war back to back, man. Global news, all the pages, they are covered in war, man. I don't know what's happening to human race, man. So Netanyahu orders army to vigorously, those were the words, vigorously attack Hezbollah. So this is interesting, because when those words are used, if they have been attacking the way they have been attacking and they were not doing it vigorously, but I don't want to know how they are going to do it vigorously, because Netanyahu is very serious in fighting the Hezbollah fighters, and the issue is they are located in Lebanon, so that's why he's taking the war. Bro is not running away, he is taking the war to Lebanon, which is very interesting. It's very interesting, and I hope this won't be something that will bring war crimes, because the term vigorously, I don't think soldiers are going to take it politely. Remember, soldiers act according to their what are they called, to the instruction that they are given, their commands, the command, and I think he's the commander-in-chief of the country, so they are going to take them seriously, bro. I hope something has to be done so that these people can come into the table and talk, man. As I'm saying, death is not good, man. Look at the war between Ukraine and Russia. That war has been going on for years, man. Everyone thought it was going to be fought for less than 6 months or a year. But now the war is still going on. People are still dying. It has come to a point even Africans are going to fight for those countries. From where I am, I have seen few individuals. I mean, I've seen few people who have gone to fight for Ukraine and fight for Russia, which is very interesting. So let's hope this war comes to an end, man. We need a peaceful world. And I'm saying it's interesting. Armed groups launch coordinated attacks across Mali. And Mali is a West African country. For those who don't know, Africa as a continent is very big. And Mali is one of the West African countries. And I think some few, I will say few, not few, but a while back, I'm not sure, I'm not that certain about the time, but a while back, Mali was overthrown. The president was overthrown by military personnel. If I'm not wrong, there was a coup in that country, and I think they kicked the French. They kicked the French personnel outside, and Mali are great friends of. They are very good friends with certain. I don't want to mention his name because they have tried to kill him so many times. And let me mention it. Traore. I think the Mali president Traore are great friends because they both took governments through coups, and they did that thing of chasing the French military, the ambassadors, and I don't think that action was very wise thought because I knew it was going to bring consequences. I'm not sure, but I knew without the French in your government, without outside powers in your government, bro, it will be very hard to defend yourself. They were being rallied by Russia, and I don't think it's going that well. So sometimes as a president, you have to work with these supreme and superpowers. If you don't work with them, it will be very hard, man. So currently, there are attacks in Mali, and they are coordinated. They are not just random, but they are coordinated attacks in Mali. I've heard some bases have been left and taken by those rebel groups. So let's hope Mali government has a strategy out of this, and I don't know if they have, but I'm just hoping. And finally, Camila and her husband are going to visit the US. I know you guys don't know who Camila is. I know you don't know. There's a reason as to why I'm saying that, and surprise, Camila is the wife to the great and the only King Charles. I didn't know the wife's name. I won't lie to you. Today's the day I have known she's called Camila, and I know most of you don't know because we only focus on with the person who is on power, and we don't focus on the other, their significant other. And I think this is because it has been working like that with Queen Elizabeth. Most people never knew she was married or who she was married. Everyone knows about only her children, and it's very interesting how these people live. You can't be that famous and powerful, and yet your significant other or your partner is that anonymous. That's very interesting. So that's it on the news segment. Yes, so let's go straight to the charts. I missed this, man. I missed doing this. So we're going to start with gold. Gold has been ranging within this zone. It has been playing within these levels, as you can see. And when it comes to a higher time frame, that's a daily. Where are you, daily? It's a trading view. Let's be fast, please, today. As you can see, gold has been bearish for a while. So I don't know where it's going. I think it's coming to respect these levels. It's not happening. I think it's coming to respect these levels. Let's mark them. It's So these ones. Come on, trading view. Why are you hanging on me, man? So I don't know if it's going to go down or go up. So we will have to wait. We will have to wait. So let's go. Why are you slow? So it came almost to this level and went back. But as you can see, it has been respecting our strategy. But for now, the levels at which it is, we don't want to take a trade. But we can wait and see how it's going to behave within this zone. Within this zone, I don't know if it's going to come and retest. And let's draw here. Let's draw a support there. So as you can see, it has been respecting this one and came back to this one. So it can come to respect these levels, or it can go back to this level. So for us, we have to wait. But the most likely action of gold is to come and respect this support. But remember, we have war. We don't know what's going to come out of the war. We don't have the war news yet, so let's wait and see. So if it comes back here, don't target so many pips. Just target very little pips. Is what I'm saying. Because though I'm against swing trading currently, and I'm saying it because these markets are very uncertain and very chaotic. These are not the Biden markets. The Biden markets were very peaceful and very calm, and it's a very hard thing to adjust to those markets. I'm trying my best to adjust, but I'm getting whooped, man. So I'm getting stopped. That's why I'm saying it has not been an easy month, and I like being transparent and honest about my trading, man. So that's it on gold. So when it comes to UJ, okay, it's open. So UJ has been ranging within this zone. This is a resistance level. There we go. And these are our support levels. Remember, this is on 4 hours. 4 hours. If you watch my previous video that I did, an impromptu video, you can see I said the market are ranging. We are in a ranging market currently because I don't think most investors want to risk their money. So these are the two areas I'm targeting. I'm targeting this one and this level here. So I will have to wait and see how the market open will behave, and how the first few days of the week will go. So I'm hoping for it to come back here, these levels, this resistance, and short, or break to this one. And if it breaks this one, we'll know if it's going to rally up or come down. So we'll have to wait. But this is our target area, and let's wait and see. Oh yeah, so when it comes to US30, I'm in a game of waiting. I won't lie, I'm in a game of waiting. So no need to analyze it. I'm in a game of waiting. I don't want to analyze it a lot until uncertain. So this is the beauty of market. You don't have to come to the market and take a trade. So this is the trade we took, and took a loss. This was the beautiful loss we took. And I'm willing to take that trade and again. But I have noticed something. Let me show you. So the market is respecting this zone. That's on a daily. When you're analyzing, you should look at high time frames. So the market has created a new support within this zone. So there is an issue with this support. The issue with this support is the weekly closure, and I'm sorry, it's respecting within this area. You see, look at that. So the weekly, it has a very long week. Look at this. This is how the week closed, and this is a very long week. And a very long week is a sign of exhaustion and market changing direction, all coming back to retest. Those are two things. It's either the market is coming back to retest, or the market is exhausted and it's changing its trend. That's why I say the markets are never in a hurry. They do whatever they want. As you can see, it has been a very interesting development here. So you can see we have one very strong bearish candle. We have I would say this undecisive candlestick. So but it was in bullish. That's a good sign. And the forex candlestick that followed was very bullish. So that is over the weekend. As you know, BTC doesn't close. It's all clock 24/7 clock open, and let's see. So if it comes to this one, we can long. Show you. We can long here. This is the beauty of trading. You don't have to come to the market and get a setup. You have to. So I'm going to wait and see how it's going to behave within this zone. So we can have a trade there. But if it breaks below this resistance and if it breaks below this support and turns it into a resistance, we will be very, very aggressive on sales. And remember, these are impacts of war. These are impacts of war. So let's observe. Let's wait and see. So that is BTC Euro. We have oil. Oil, my God, oil is doing its thing, man. Oil is doing its thing. Oil, don't trade it if you don't have the Strait of Hormuz indicator. You know what that is? This is where you go straight to Hormuz and trade there. So if you don't have that indicator, please, my guy, please don't try to trade oil. Leave it be, let it be. They are shown traders interesting things. So in short, why would you even waste your time analyzing oil in these uncertain moments? Because your analysis will be just null and void because of a single statement made by either the aggressor or the defender in this world. So let's wait and see. You saw we have the last one. It's our one and only GBP card. We have been waiting for this one. So it comes here and gives us a good confirmation. Come here, baby. We're going to short it. Okay, this is us a good confirmation. We are going to short it. Remember, we waited for it last week. But it never came. So this is what I'm talking about. These are what I call early entries. So if the market won't be willing to respect this zone, this resistance, or if it touches this resistance while sweeping liquidity, will be very, very we will be very, very glad to take an entry. So this is an early entry and this is a great entry. So remember, it's a great entry because of the risk to reward. So this will save us more. These are a few pips here. So it's a great entry if we take it here. So, but we'll have to wait because we don't target a specific location. We target a zone. So if it comes back to these levels, we will be very, very open to short in this thing. So that's it on the charts. So, and finally we have a segment known as La Motivation. Oh, this market needs even motivation, man. So on today's La Motivation goes, no matter how many accounts we blow, we will still come back better, and greater. No matter how many accounts we blow, we are going to come back better, and greater. So forex to the world, charts all in. Yes, sir. I'm out. Charts all out.